What's up, it's my furry friends on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of your account on Reddit Mobile. Now, Reddit makes this super difficult to do, but as far as watching this tutorial goes, you'll just see how simple it is, and it's just hidden right in plain sight. So once you have your Reddit app opened and you're on your home page, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner. And then you're going to click on your username right below your profile picture. And then it's going to take you to this screen here where you have all of your accounts. And then parallel to your name, you're going to see like a little bit, kind of like a door icon with a little arrow on it pointing towards the door. And if you click on that, it will bring you to this menu here where you could then log out, and then it will log you out of your Reddit account. Super helpful if you share a phone or you just don't want someone snooping on your phone in general and seeing one of your Reddit throwaway accounts or whatever you have on there. If you had any questions though or anything about this tutorial, don't be afraid to comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.